ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, मुबारक, ईद मुबारक।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या रसूलल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या हबीबल्लाह। अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या नबियल्लाह व अला आलिका व अस्हाबिका या नूरल्लाह। Dear viewers of Madani Channel, we keep listening the virtue of salat upon the Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Let's listen to one more virtue of sending salat upon the Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. The final Prophet of Allah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam has said, recite salat upon me in abundance on the night and day of Friday. Your salats presented to me. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. The great day of Eid is also one of those significant events that bring happiness and delight for the Muslims. The blessed day of Eid is celebrated with great excitement and fervor by the Muslims living around the globe, and they experience the feelings of ecstasy when this blessed day arrives. People from every class and section enormously enjoy this religious festival. Dear parents, there are some of your responsibilities for your children in connection with the blessed occasion of happiness. Number one is Sadaqah-e-Fitr. A father should pay Sadaqah-e-Fitr of his children before Eid Salah if possible. Sayyidina Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhuma narrated, the beloved Rasul sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam has commanded us to pay Sadaqah-e-Fitr on Eid al-Fitr before Eid Salah. If Eid Salah is being performed in a masjid, take such sane Madani children with you for performing Eid Salah who know the etiquettes of masjid and remain cautious about them. Moreover, also make them give sadaqah, persuading them so that they also become habitual of giving sadaqah in the path of Allah Azza wa Jal, and their hearts become less interested in wealth and worldly pleasure. Develop this awareness amongst children that whether it is the blessed day of Eid or any other religious event or festival, they should not engross themselves into worldly pleasure to such an extent that they forget to perform fard and wajib acts and do not distinguish between halal and haram acts, and spend these blessed days of Eid in heedlessness, doing the acts of disobedience. While comparing the stuff such as clothes, shoes, wristwatches, etc. with others, children taunt and make fun of them. This is not a good practice, so prevent your children from passing bad comments and criticizing others' children for their clothes, etc. Gift of cash given to the children on Eid days increases the happiness of children, but some children are observed to demand Eid from their relatives, causing embarrassment for others. Ethically, this practice is not good at all because someone may not have money for Eid and he may have to make an excuse or tell a lie to manage the situation. Some parents take possession of the Eid of their children and comment like this: "We also have to give Eid to the children of others." This practice may sow the seed of hatred in your children's hearts. Furthermore, it's not permissible for the parents to use the things without Shari permission which are purely owned by the children. On the blessed day of Eid, children love to enjoy swings, horse riding, camel riding, etc. But these activities of enjoyment may cause any accident, so choose any appropriate swing for your children. May Allah Almighty grant us, our children, and all the Muslims tawfiq to celebrate Eid obeying Sharia. Dear children, Eid is a day of thanksgiving and showing happiness and joy. On this blessed occasion, everyone, be young children or elders, all dress up themselves in best clothes. On the other hand, there is another side of the coin. Some people in our society cannot afford to buy the new clothes and their children insist them on buying new clothes. Let's ask Amir al-Sunnat, Maulana Ilyas Qadri Damat Barakatum al-Aliyah, whether it's necessary to wear new clothes for the day of Eid. He Damat Barakatum al-Aliyah says, on the day of Eid, wearing new clothes is a mustahab act if it's done according to Sharia and intended for reward. If one cannot afford new clothes, then he should wear the best clothes available at home. Dear children, you should not trouble your parents either by insisting them on buying new clothes. Rather, adopt good manners like good children and wear clean and neat clothes available at your home if your parents are unable to manage new clothes for you. Remember, choose only those clothes which are not against the Islamic dress code, such as avoid wearing the clothes bearing cartoon picture and the image of living creation, etc. Similarly, male children should not wear the clothes female children, and female children should not copy male children either in terms of wearing clothes. Dear children, it's requested to you to make a firm intention that you will always like those clothes which are prepared according to Sharia guidance, Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. Amongst the different stages of life, childhood is the most important stage, which lays the foundation for the subsequent stage of life. Managing this stage successfully brings a peaceful and fruitful life ahead. If you as parents do not give due importance to this stage of life of your children and do not train them with the correct knowledge, the same children will not remember you with good words in future. Take notice of the importance of this stage and care about providing proper training to your children. Let's listen to 3 habits of children and their positive uses. The first one is fun and play. Owing to this habit, children do not sit in one place. Sometimes they tease someone while other times they break something. All the time they keep doing some kind of activity and do not get upset due to this habit, as it is a sign of them being intelligent. It is stated in a hadith, having fun and play in childhood is a sign of being wise in adulthood. Respected parents, get the advantage of this habit of your child and keep him busy with age-appropriate tasks. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, this will make your child to learn a lot of things easily while maintaining his health too. For example, a mother may ask her children to give her a hand with home chores. Take your children to some open space and allow them to stroll round. The next habit which I would like to share with you is to copy someone. You know, the kids sometimes do copy to their elders as well. A child is after all a child, unable to distinguish between good and bad. That's why he tries his best to copy adults. Therefore, good and virtuous deeds should be performed before him. For example, recite Holy Quran, go to masjid, attend milad, give charity to the needy people, so that your child starts doing these tasks while copying you and begins to regard them as good works mentally. Respected parents, do not watch or listen to the people on mobile and TV in front of your children, following whom is inappropriate for us morally and as per Sharia. In short, for the better future of children, the elders of the family will have to give up anything, whether verbal or by action, that could breed negative thoughts in the minds of children. Next habit, which is very common in our children, that is to ask questions to their elders. This personality trait of a child gets him to ask different questions in different styles. For example, he would sometimes ask you innocently, Baba, where is he whom we worship? Sometimes, because of fear, he would ask, would both of you abandon this world, leaving me alone? Respected parents, he keeps asking you so many similar questions. If you do not give him an answer and rather keep putting him off, saying, "You're a kid, so don't talk about that," he will get more curious to find the answers. He will begin to ask others the same questions. If someone mistakenly gives him a wrong answer, it will get deeply ingrained in his mind forever. Therefore, it's better to get yourself correct information now to avoid being remorseful later. Try to respond to queries posed by children beautifully. Inshallah Azawajal, this will improve the quality of your life and will also be a source of peace in the hereafter. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Mubarak, Eid